Hello, and welcome to another edition of Sporty's Product Videos. My name is Doug, and today we're going to look at the Flight Gear Dual Headset Case. This bag is perfect for instructors or pilots who need to carry less. As the name implies, the Flight Gear Dual Headset Bag was designed to fit two headsets. We have two main compartments. Inside the one we have the Zulu 3, and in the other we tucked in a Bose A20. Both pockets are padded with extremely thick padding to protect these nice expensive headsets. We've also put a mesh pocket on the inside of these headset pockets. And the idea is you can tuck away your A&R box in this mesh pocket or put extra batteries, charging cables, whatever you need to on the inside of the bag. On the outside of the bag, we have some quick access pockets. Here on the front, we have room for a backup battery brick or your phone. And then also a slim pocket here for a fuel test or a flashlight. If you go to the back of the bag, there's a wide pocket that goes all the way across the bag. This is perfect size for an iPad or for charts that you need to carry along with you. This is also where we can do optional embroidery on the back of the bag. Your name, a silhouette of airplane, even a logo can go back here. The top of the bag has a thin handle with a padding on it. So it's really a grab and go bag. This is the smallest bag in our line, and our flight instructors at Sporty's really like this bag because it limits the amount of stuff they can take with them. They really just take the essentials from flight to flight. This bag can be found on sportys.com and it retails for $29.95.